Before we get racing, let's take a look at today's Project 91 driver. Actor turned stock car driver Frankie Muniz gets a big shot today. The Malcolm in the Middle star appeared in Toyota Pro Celebrity races as early as 2004, and 19 years later he made the jump to driving a stock car full-time. He ran the full ARCA schedule in 2023 and finished 4th in the standings. He made some starts in higher divisions of NASCAR in 2024 and now runs full-time in the Truck Series. Here they come. Chris Buescher out to the lead in the 17. Kobayashi trying to keep pace, tried to take a swipe at the 17, just missed and flies over the 84 who gets in for second. Chris Buescher is going to get the win. Here they come. Kyle Busch out to a narrow lead in the 8. Hocevar and Gilliland right there, 3 wide to the line. Kyle Busch just barely gets into the 8 behind him. Nemechek flips after the line, but no matter, Kyle Busch edges out the 77 and the 38 for the win. Here they come. SVG out to the lead in the 16, keeping it straight for once. SVG, a dominating heat race win across the line, destroys Chase Briscoe, and the 16 will move on. Here they come. Daniel Hemric out to the lead in the 31, heading for the wall, though the 31's going to hit head-on. Josh Bilicki gets through for the win. Another heat race win for the 66. He's moving on. Here they come. Ty Gibbs out to the lead in the 54, knocks Noah Gragson out of the way. Playoff driver spins and almost loses second. Ty Gibbs in the 54 will get the win. Here they come. Denny Hamlin out to the lead in the 19. His teammate getting turned behind him. Martin Truex Jr. into the wall. So is the 11, but just barely got the nose across before Allmendinger. The 11's moving on. Here they come. Muniz in the Plot 91 had the lead for a second. Blaney with a huge run though in the 12. Gets past Justin Haley and spins in front of the 51 to get the win. Ryan Blaney, 2 heat race wins in a row. Here they come. Kaz Gralla out to the lead in the 36. Kyle Larson gets a run. Gralla losing momentum and into the wall he goes. The 36 continues to have a disastrous first round and Kyle Larson's moving on. Here they come. Dillon and McDowell for a spot as an A car. Ty Dillon has the advantage and McDowell's in the wall. That'll steal it. The 34 demoted and Ty Dillon will move on in the 50. Here they come. Chastain out to the lead in the 1 car, but here comes Christopher Bell. The 20 car muscles past Ross Chastain to get the win with a 6-8. Behind them, Logano hits hard going way back. Here they come. Tyler Reddick out to lead in the 45. Bounces off the wall a little bit. Doesn't hurt his momentum too much. Zane Smith tried to take a swipe at him. It doesn't work and he pays the price. Flipping hard across the line. Tyler Reddick gets the win. Zane Smith tried hard to get it from him, but instead he goes flying on the carpet. BJ McLeod is the one that pitched him up and over. Here they come. Bowman out to the lead in the 48. Wallace with a run trying to get it, but Bowman's going to put him in the wall. Into it hard. Did Bowman get across the line? The ticker seems to think he did, Byron almost went under and to steal it. Yes, the 48 just barely gets across the line. Huge moment for Bubba Wallace, a playoff driver. Bowman needed that heat race win though, and he moves on. Here they come. Chris Buescher out to the lead in the 17. The Hemric boys trying to take it from him, but he turns into them both. They're all in the wall. Buescher up in the air and over on the carpet, but he got to the line before the 5 and he'll move on. Here they come. Busch out to the lead, never mind. Here comes Hamlin, here comes Blaney. They leave Kyle Busch in the dust. Hamlin in the wall just like he did in the heat races, but just barely gets the nose across before the 8. He'll move on. Here they come. Reddick out to the lead initially, but here comes SVG, the inevitable. Shane Van Gisbergen gets a huge run and gets a huge knockout stage win. The 16 moving on. Here they come. Ty Gibbs out to the lead. Christopher Bell takes it from him as Ty Gibbs goes spinning into the wall with the 66 of Josh Balicki. Christopher Bell gets the win in the 20. He goes to the semis. Here they come. Denny Hamlin, SVG, 2 of the best in the sport right now. SVG throws it away, pulls the move when nobody's there. Denny Hamlin will move on to the finale. He'll go for the record. Here they come. Christopher Bell out to the lead in the 20 car. Buescher, though, with a run in the 17, and he's going to take it. Christopher Bell in the wall behind him. Buescher going to go for his first win in 2 seasons. He'll have his best chance yet. Here they come. SVG out to lead in the 16, has plenty of time to pull the move. That's exactly what he's going to do. Bell glances off the wall. It doesn't matter. SVG gets another podium for the 16 team. Here they come. Chris Buescher in the 17 out to the lead over the 11, but he's going to throw it away. Into the wall goes Chris Buescher, and that will give Denny Hamlin round number 1 and an early leg up on the 17. Will it go differently in round 2? Hamlin this time out to the lead. Not the kind of differently Chris Buescher was hoping for, but he goes into the wall again. Denny Hamlin ties the single season wins record. That's his 5th in season 4 and the 6th on his career.